Hello, good morning, friends. Today I am sharing with you a common problem of the bikers that sometimes their horn stop blowing. So whenever you take it to the mechanic, they said faulty connection or wiring or the horn is damaged. So you have to change the horn, but the problem is there. Here you can see this is the horn clip. Okay, it cost only 2 rupees. So whenever you are having problem with your bike horn, first buy it from a spare parts shop and connect it with the loose horn clip section of your horn and test it. If horn is again blowing, then your cost will be only rupees 2 for purchasing this horn clip, and just connect the wire as it is, so you won't have to change the wiring or buy a new horn. So this is the main thing. First you can do at your home before taking it to the mechanic. I hope you have liked the video, so thank you for watching.